Hello everyone, I'm Manik. Today I am here to demonstrate my capstone project, that is Smart Classes for Visually Challenged. This project has been developed under the mentorship of Dr. Rajkumar Tekchandani. So I would like to thank him for his guidance throughout this project. Now let's see the features of this project. These glasses will assist the visually challenged person in the following ways. Let's see these features one by one. Firstly, let's see the hardware of the project. So this is the hardware demonstration. In this I will tell you the hardware which we have used for this project. So these are the glasses which the blind person can wear, and we have placed a Pi camera in the front which will capture images that is used in various features of our project. And this is the Raspberry Pi which will do the processing. And this is the setup for obstacle detection. You can see the UV sensor. It will tell the distance of obstacle from the person and save him from the obstacles. And this is the Bluetooth speaker which I have connected with my Raspberry Pi. So it can produce output it can produce the output in the form of speech. Now let's see the features of our glasses. First is the facial recognition. These glasses are able to recognize the person in front of it. For this we have used HAR Cascade and LBP classifier in OpenCV. Now let's see the demonstration. So this is the Pi camera which will capture the image of person standing in front of the glasses, and it will feed the image to the machine learning model, and it will recognize the person accordingly. Since my name is Manik, so let's see whether or not this glasses recognize me. So let's see the demonstration.
Friend Manak is standing in front of you.
So it recognized me correctly. Now let's see our second feature, that is reading the text and converting it to speech. In this, the Pi camera will capture the image, and from that image, text will be extracted using the OCR software, and which will be converted to the speech. Now let's see the demonstration. Please start. So this is the Pi camera which we have attached to the glasses. It will capture the image of the text that we want to read. So let's see the demonstration. So this is the text that we are going to read with the help of these glasses. You can see it on your screen. Let's see the demonstration now.
Launchpad data structures and algorithms in C++.
Now let's see the third feature of our project, that is image description. This is the most important feature of our project. In this, any real-world scenario will be described to the visually challenged person in the form of audio. So the Pi camera present on the glasses will capture the image and feed it to the deep learning model. And that model will describe the scenario to the blind person in the form of audio. Now let's see the demonstration. So this is the demonstration of image description feature. So you can see I have placed the smart glasses in front of me, and I am sitting in front of the glasses. Let's see how it describes this scene.
Man in red shirt is sitting on bench.
So our last feature is obstacle detection. Let's see the demonstration directly. So this is the demonstration of obstacle detection feature. So you can see the UV sensor present here for the obstacle detection. So let's see the demonstration. So this is the obstacle that I will be using. So I have placed it in front of the UV sensor.
Obstacle is 15 centimeters away.
And you can see it's telling the distance of the obstacle. Thank you everyone.